Peace and blessings, fam. So yes, today my client has been experiencing hair loss on her edges. Look at her edges. They are damaged really bad. They are screaming for some attention, and unfortunately she is not exactly sure what made them break out. She does have a relaxer, and she's assuming that it's the relaxer or the chemical that's in the relaxer that has broken her edges off. Welcome to West Coast Finest. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you do not miss any of our new videos. Yes, click the link below to visit our website and get order in for our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, it is made with 100% all natural ingredients. And yes, it's me, your girl T, dropping another video. So, as you can see, I started her braid pattern and I am braiding her edges going down. I am braiding them going down and not straight back. Why? Because this will relieve any tension on her edges, and it will also prevent any further breakage. And yes, what I am going to be using our G&G. Yes, our G&G is 100% all natural ingredients. Yes, it is packed, ladies. It is packed with all the natural hair growth butters, the hair growth oils to promote hair growth. Yes, we packed it with avocado oil, with grapeseed oil, with tea tree oil, with black castor oil. Yes, when I say it is packed, it is packed. So yes, I am using our G&G hair growth butter. If you have not ordered some, ladies, get your order in today and start growing your hair back. Also, along with your hair growth butter, we also send 3 very important essential tips that you can do along with using your hair growth butter to promote hair growth. Yes. So again, here I am starting her braid pattern, and I'm doing the healthiest braid pattern for her hair and for her style. I am moisturizing her hair and her scalp really, really well with our hair growth butter. Look at that. Look at how generous I am being with this hair growth butter. Not being stingy at all. Why? Because I want to make sure that her edges are moisturized to the fullest. I am doing a deep head and scalp massage. Look how that hair growth butter is melting. Yes, I love, love, love the way it just melts into your scalp. So yes, I am going to braid this side of her hair going down just as I did the other side. Of course, for the same exact reason. I want to prevent any pulling, any tension, any stress on her edges. Yes, look at those edges. They don't even look the same. Considering now that they have been moisturized with our hair growth butter, they look much more oily. They don't look like they are brittle and ready to break at any moment. So again, I am going to be braiding this side the exact same way as I did the other side. In the middle, her hair is much more healthier, it's stronger, and I am going to braid these braids going to the back, only in the middle though. Her edges on this side as well will be braided down. So this style is going to be amazing. If you are wondering how to install a crochet style with damaged edges, with hair loss around your edges, with thin edges, this video is for you. Okay, family, so her braid pattern is complete, and I call this my 3-part braid pattern. Why? Because this braid pattern will create the style where she can wear her hair in 3 separate parts, meaning she will be able to wear a right side part, a left side part, and a middle part. Yes, a 3-part braid pattern. If you haven't tried my 3-part braid pattern, ladies, please try it and let me know what you think about it. It is amazing. And look at this beautiful hair. Oh my gosh, this is some blue ombre hair. She brought this hair in herself. She got it from Amazon. It came with 6 packs, and they are some long 24-inch goddess curly locks. Yes, ladies, this color is simply beautiful. So what? Let's get started on my favorite part, which is the crocheting part. Yes, I am starting in the back, and I am going to start crocheting through her braids until the back is nice and full, and then I'll start moving around the sides and filling in the top and then the front. So yes, if you have not seen this hair, go on Amazon. It is there. It comes with 6 to 7 packs. You can get up to 8 packs. It just depends on your size head and how many packs you think you might need. And again, this is 24 inches. They are goddess curly locks. So look at these. They are simply amazing, simply beautiful. This style, you don't want to miss it. No, you don't. You do not want to miss the outcome of how this style is completed. And again, don't forget, this is a 3-way part style. She is going to be able to wear this style in 3 parts, and it's going to look so natural, so full, and so beautiful. She's going to be able to wear this right side or a left side or a middle part, and I'm going to show you all 3 parts. So stay tuned, keep watching, and again, thank you all so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. I am loving all your wonderful, inspiring, and motivating comments. I thank you so very much. So keep watching. This is 1 pack that we've used already, and I am getting ready to start on the 2nd pack. Yes, these packs are nice and full, and I think it comes with 24 strands. I'm going to show you exactly how many strands it comes with shortly. So again, continue to keep watching. Okay, fam, so yes, this hair is beautiful. I am loving the color. I loved working with this hair. They are pre-looped, so that made it very easy to work with. It didn't tangle. They were very easy to pull through the holes. They were easy to slide through her braids. And yes, I definitely recommend this hair. It is very longevity, and again, here it is, 24 strands in each pack. That is a nice full pack. Again, you can get it in 7 packs up to 8. You can even get 6 packs. It just depends on the size of your head and how many packs you think you need. Again, we used 7 packs, which was the perfect amount for her head. And again, I am loving this color. It is simply beautiful. So yes, ladies, if you are looking for a longevity style, if you like these curly locks, go to Amazon, purchase you some, and get them installed. I guarantee you will love them. They are very easy to install, even if you are doing them yourself. And again, if you are wondering how to crochet on hair that has hair loss, that has alopecia, that has thin edges or no edges at all, this is the video that you want to continue to keep watching. Here I am filling in the parts, and oh my gosh, it is coming out so cute. Yes, I am filling it right in at the top. Again, these are the 3 parts that she's going to be able to wear, so of course I want to make them nice and full so that when she gets ready to split her hair into these 3 parts, it looks fabulous. So again, continue to keep watching for our completed style. Oh my God, look at this completed style. Oh family, look how beautiful this is. Look at the back, it is simply adorable. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, I am loving it. Yes, look at this beautiful crochet style. Look at this beautiful color. It is so doggone cute. You know this is so cute. Look how full it is. Look at that left side part. Yes, ladies, this is that left side part, and this is her right side part. Yes, and she can wear this style in multiple styles. Yes, it is very versatile. She can wear that center part. She can wear it pulled up in the front. She can pull it all up into one big ponytail. She can twist it a little bit. I mean, this style is so versatile. Look at these beautiful pictures. Again, ladies, if you are loving and liking this style, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. Yes, I upload new videos every single week. Yes, every single week there are new videos. So again, thank you so much for watching West Coast Finest Hair and Tan. Until next time, peace and blessings.